and anyone else that is watching, aliens, whatever you are. So today I want to go over Farcaster, and let me first tell you how I got to Farcaster. Now, the reason I got to Farcaster, so there's being two. So with Twitter, because pretty sure everybody at one point, if they not still are, was a fan of Twitter. And I used to be one of those guys. I used to try to, not try, but I used to host a lot of community events, community spaces. Used to do a lot of stuff when the ordinals and like the Bitcoin ordinals were like a big thing, and a lot of things were coming out as far as smart contracts on Bitcoin and just doing other stuff than just storing your Bitcoin. When that became popular, doing it on the Bitcoin, right? So still host a lot of stuff. Still do a couple things, trade and stuff. But I did not like on there how you can just easily be kicked out off of Twitter, and sometimes I didn't even know. Well, the one that like my biggest Twitter, I didn't even know what was the reason. Like the last thing that I know I did do was I had just got basically like a affiliate with mxt at the time, and they had made me my own graphics and such and stuff like that, and they made me exclusive deals, and I shared my Twitter or my mxt link on there, and all of a sudden I was banned forever. And I tried to combat it, or get my Twitter back, but never happened. And I have opened more Twitters in the past, but I was just like, man, I'm good. So I just stopped messing with it. And then so the other reason I got into Farcaster was because I was looking for something for like to farm Coinbase, because my big thing is airdrops, right? And this is like the perfect medium, right? And as I start fooling around on Farcaster, I start finding like a lot of stuff, right? I start actually messing around with it. Took a little second for it to catch on, but I've probably been here for maybe like 6 or 7 days or something like that, and it's really dope. I looked up some YouTube videos on like not even necessarily how to grow, but just I was looking for what people were thinking of it, and I found this guy's video right here. I believe his name is Chase. Yeah, so I found this guy's video, and he was talking about it, and you know, it was cool, right? So as I start to get in and I start learning it and start messing around on here, the main thing that I really like is because I'm a like an alpha person, and like I always when I really get involved with something, I'm always looking for the best alpha. And for me, base or I'm sorry, but Farcaster has the like truest form of like alpha. Like, man, there's so much stuff you can do on here, and again, like I'm on here to farm airdrops for Coinbase mainly, and other reasons, like because Farcaster is going to have its own airdrop as well. But as I start like messing around on here, there's like just stuff to do. Like I play this game right here. Probably do a couple transactions all the time. This Warplets, bought a couple packs. Base or Karma, I've been playing this a lot. What else? Oh, this is like right here. Where is it at? Token bot. Oh, it's probably gonna show up as Clanker. like I just figured out about this right here. Where is it at? Clanker. Where are you at? This right here, bro. This has right here like so much like stuff going on with this. Um, and I found like because first I found their coin, right? And then I found out about the app, and then so like once you like really see where it's going, and that is associated with the base, it was like it's just really good. And then I found this. This is like my favorite thing right here. Fade Protocol. Like it's one of the dopest. Like as far as projects that I've seen in a long time, it's one of the best projects in my opinion that's out there. And you guys can go ahead and learn about that. But this is just kind of just a short, brief. I'm trying to make it like short as possible. What I think about it. But okay, so I'm gonna just go over like the pros. I'm just trying to make it as simple as possible. So the pros is it has great alpha, great alpha, right? And they have a whole bunch of like little tasks you can do, like little stuff to kind of keep you entertained and like and that being like these mini apps right here. And then to a degree, like the people that are considered bigger, they will talk to you, right? So if you like I guess have like a little bit of intelligence, people will talk to you. So yeah. So now we're gonna go over just some of the cons really fast. So that like I found like it like it's in my experience like right now, it doesn't seem like the most social app, but I think that is because like the reach is not that big. It's not really the reach. Yeah, the reach to me, not even the reach. The social is just not like very. It's not where like up to Twitter standards. Let's put it that way. Because on Twitter, you like what I used to like to do is I'll go into the spaces, and then I would always try to join up on the spaces. So I hope they bring like some type of form of that, and I can see that being like a cool thing to do because like with the clanker, like say with clanker you have a live stream which is, I mean pump.fun already does that, but this right here like the way like it's so social, like it's meant to be social and interactive, and it like kind of keeps your attention span. I believe like they should have more stuff like Twitter Spaces. And then one like weird, like it's really weird, like, and this is what Chase was saying in his video is that people don't like emojis, like it's kind of congruent like with bots, I guess. And on X that was like a really big thing, and like in a way like you can really get off certain expressions with emojis. So I mean, I find that like really strange, right? And then like people on here, they don't really look to follow you. Like that's one thing. Like I find kind of strange. Like people don't want to follow you, but I guess over like due to time, people will follow you. But even the people that's been here for like 2 years, only got like 2,000 followers, and I'm telling you, bro, that's one thing. Like I just do not like. Like you've been here for 2 years and you've been posting, and that was one thing that the guy Chase was saying about it. He said he'd been here for a long time, and I believe he said 2 years, right? And then you look at this, well, he's getting close to 3,000, but I'm just like, jeez, like that's fucking crazy. I mean, like you've been there for that long, you've been active every day. You only got 3,000, but I mean, it could. I don't know. Could just be him. People don't find him entertaining. I don't know. You know what I mean? Like it's. I guess everybody got their tribe, as they say. Everybody has their tribe, and I guess his reach, as far as tribe wise, they haven't found him just yet. But he's still, he's still putting out there. Mr. Beast, he didn't get his people until years and years. What you hear in the background, that's my cats. They always playing around. But yeah, just try to make this as quick as possible, and that's all I got for you guys, man. And if you want to sign up for Farcaster, because what you will experience on here, especially if you're a person that's really, really looking for alpha, and if you want to go for the airdrop, that will be happening. What you can do is sign up with my Farcaster link, and then you'll get. I believe. I'm not 100% sure. You get 20% off of all fees, and which will help you when you're spending money on these apps. Because trust me, you will spend money on the apps. It's like super. Like these apps, they're like entertaining, and then the transactions are really cheap. Like, and you kind of want to leave some type of footprint. I'm pretty sure that's going to be like a big thing in getting the airdrop. Yeah, so it's like really cheap, like a penny, like per transaction. Some of them is cheaper unless you buying stuff and whatnot. But it's a really nice experience. So we got that right, and you'll be helping me out. So yep, love to hear from you. You guys have a great day. Let's get this off of this screen. Wait, how do you stop this? Holy shit. Oh, right here. What?